Family, listen. I get that no shoe is created equal. I understand when there are comparisons of shoes made to other shoes and everything in between. I don't understand this one. I kept hearing things like,
these remind me of the OG Flints. These give me Flint vibes. Man, I wonder if I could wear a Flint on one foot and this shoe on the other.
And I'm thinking to myself, there's no way in the world, man. This can't be real. This can't be true. And squad, I gotta let you know, in this video, we're gonna be talking about this shoe because it's not all that. It's okay. It's just okay. But anyways, Rebel Squad, you guys know what time it is. It's time for me to bring that energy. Video up. Let's get to it. Family, what's good, Rebels? What's up? It's your boy Matt the Rebel, man. I'm back with another video for you today. Squad, you guys already know the vibes, man. Let's go ahead and get these formalities up and let's get them out of here. Welcome to all the new subscribers to the channel, guys. Welcome to all the new Rebels. Welcome to all our new family members. Welcome to the most lit family in all of YouTube. And you heard it right here from your boy, man. Also, squad, make sure you like this video and comment. And if you're new to the channel, guys, this is your first time over here with Rebel Squad, man, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Matt the Rebel for Twitter. Throw an underscore at the end of the name. Links to my social media are in the description. So, Rebel Squad, listen. Bought a really cool sneaker today, guys. It's, let me not call it really cool. It's nice, man. It's just, it was bringing comparisons to a shoe that's not even in the same brand family as it, and I was just having issues. Like, it gives you the what type of vibe? I'm sorry, it reminds you of what shoe? I'm sorry, what? And so, squad, I had to think to myself, let me get my hands on this shoe so I can really see what the heck is going on. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, guys, if you saw the thumbnail, if you saw the title, if you saw the description, you know what shoe we are talking about over here today on the Rebel Squad channel. Let's go ahead and do a review and a discussion on the Yeezy 500 High in its frosted blue colorway. Let's get into it. Rebel Squad, now that we're back, guys, we are talking about the Yeezy 500 thumbnail. We are talking about the Yeezy 500, guys, in its frosted blue colorway. Okay, now granted, I'm gonna be honest, it's not a bad shoe, guys. I mean, it's okay, it's cool. It's just like any Yeezy 500 High, you know, or any 500. And squad, if you haven't seen my video of the Yeezy 500 Utility Black, make sure you check that out because this shoe does have a lot of similarities to that shoe. Although this one is a more mid-top, high-top type of shoe, it's very similar. But how in the world is this? Like, for real, like I don't get it. How are people comparing this to this? It's giving you Flint vibes? No, there's no, I mean, what? I don't get it. I'm sorry, guys, I'm not seeing it. So someone please in the comment section let me know, are y'all really like, is this for real? Are y'all really getting Flint vibes off of the frosted blue Yeezy 500 High? Is that really happening, or am I tripping? But anyway, squad, let's go ahead and talk about the shoe, man, because I don't see where that comparison comes into play. So the cool thing about the Yeezy 500 High in this frosted blue colorway is that it is another Yeezy 500 High. It's a really good shoe as far as the materials go, guys. In my opinion, it is very diverse in its palette as far as color goes, with a very nice gray suede nubuck mixed for the toe box. All right, of course you have all of this neoprene material right here, guys, and a really soft padded material to give you that really nice comfort and support around the ankle. And mixed in with that padded material around the upper, guys, you do have a lot of really well done tumble leather. And we have that nice outer sole, guys. Like I said, Yeezy 500s are built for comfort. They are built to give you that feels like your foot is walking on air when you're on the ground type of feel. So when it comes to materials, I mean, even the tongue, guys, is padded. I mean, when you're walking in this shoe, if you decide to use this shoe for hiking, backpacking, or whatever it is that you're going to be doing, this 500 High isn't a bad choice because it is really durable. It is built to last. It is well done. I'm gonna call it the infinity laces. I don't think that's what it's called though, but you do have that infinity lock on the laces right here, guys, so that way you don't have to necessarily take the shoes off or untie them. You can just adjust them like So you see how that just adjusted right there? If you want to loosen it, just pull it back out like that. Okay, that is that, guys. I mean, on the inside it does say Adidas and Yeezy. Okay, it also says Ortholite, so we do have Ortholite inner soles in the shoe, guys. Some Ortholite technology to give your shoe that comfort, which is in most Yeezy 500s. I think it's in all Yeezy 500s, and it's definitely in the utility black for sure. So there is that, family. All right, really well done shoe, guys. The shoe is good for what it is. Okay, it's a Yeezy 500 high, built for comfort, built to last, built for durability, built with a lot of different materials, and the color paletting is really cool. I mean, we got some turquoise blue, some like bluish gray mixed in on that tumble leather. Like I said, like a tan brown suede on the toe box, and of course the outer sole is colored like so. All right, this is the left shoe right here, family. You have that tag on this one. You have Adidas branding all over the shoe right here on the insides of the shoe. Okay, and then there should be one more. I think there's two. Yep, and right there on the toe. So there is your second branding for Adidas right there. And this is the Adidas Yeezy 500. All right, in its frosted blue colorway. The box is like so, family. Box is a little bit bigger because the shoe is, of course, a little bit bigger itself. This is a Yeezy 500 box. 500 written right here on top in like a black, dark brown type of color. Yeezy 500 made by Adidas on this side. And we have Yeezy 500 made by Adidas on this side with that tag showing. This is a size 9.5. Let's read the tag. It says Yeezy 500 high. Code is GZ5544. Fro blue, fro blue, fro blue, aka frosted blue, or some people are calling it frozen blue. Whichever you prefer, guys. It's basically all the same. All right. And then of course you have the Adidas logo right there on the bottom. And squad, that's mainly it, guys. That is mainly it. I mean, the Adidas Yeezy 500 in its frosted blue colorway. In the comment section, squad, let me know your thoughts and opinions on this shoe. Now that you see it in person, now that you have like an up close look at the shoe and everything like that, you know, tell me your thoughts and opinions on it, guys. I want to know exactly how you feel about this shoe. Is this a shoe that you went for today? Is this a shoe that you're going to be wearing? You know, maybe a smaller size? Do you plan on reselling it? I don't know. You guys let me know in the comment section. And squad, we got to talk about this too. I saw so many people on Twitter and Instagram comparing this shoe to the Flint. I kept seeing people say, oh, it gives me Flint vibes. And I'm thinking to myself, how? I'm thinking to myself, maybe the 2010 retro Flint that had that terrible lighter blue color on it, maybe that's the avenue that people were taking with this. Because you know, this Flint is really true to its OG predecessor. Maybe that's where the comparison is. I know the Flint that came back out in 2010, which was awful, by the way, was more of this type of blue. It was more of like a royal teal-ish type of blue, where the 2020 pair is definitely true to its OG form. But yeah, squad, anyways, you guys already know, man. Below the comment section up, let me know your thoughts and opinions, not on this, but on the Yeezy 500 high in its frosted blue colorway. Let me know your thoughts and opinions. Did you hit on the raffle? Did you buy it off the confirmed Adidas app? Maybe you got it from your local boutique. I know that's where I got mine from. Let's just go from there, family. Let's have a discussion about it, because there is no way in the world, in my opinion, that you're getting this type of vibe off of this shoe. Squad, with that being said, man, guys, make sure you like this video, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram and Twitter, guys, at Matt the Rebel, for Twitter throwing _ at the end of the name. And family, make sure that when it's all said and done, make sure that you share this channel with your mom, your brother, your sister, anybody who you know, guys, is interested in sneakers. As I always like to say, this is not a channel just for me. This is a channel for all sneakerheads from all walks of life. Everyone is welcome at Rebel Squad, guys. All right, so family, with that being said, man, it's your boy Matt the Rebel. I'm checking out with another video, family. I'll see you in the next one, and we out. Peace.